I'm Miles Matheson, coming to you from TechEd Online, and I'm here with Thiago, Almedia, a Biztalk MVP. Hi, Thiago, how are you?
Hi, Miles. How are you?
Very good, thank you. I wanted to just have a little chat to you about Connected Systems User Group, the Biztalk user group here in Auckland.
Yes.
And I'd like to hear a little bit about what's been happening locally in the Biztalk community.
Yep. So I run the Biztalk user group, or officially called Auckland Connected Systems User Group. And we try to have a meeting once every month or every 2 months on Biztalk server or any other related technologies like WCF, Windows Workflow, more recently with the Windows App Fabric, Windows Server App Fabric. We're also going to host some sessions there. So it's mainly what used to be the Connected Systems division at Microsoft. They now merged with the SQL Server division to become the Business Platform division. So a lot of the technologies that come out of that division is what we cover in the user group.
Oh, wow.
So we try to have me and other local presenters, and whenever we can, some people from Microsoft like you that is presented about Biztalk 2010 for us, and some international presenters when they come around as well.
It's a good point bringing up Biztalk 2010. I mean, that's a release that's coming soon, and I'll be quite keen to sort of hear about what your thoughts are around Biztalk 2010, because you have been interacting with it as part of your MVP role. We've been doing
Yes.
stuff on the early betas.
Yeah.
So what are the initial thoughts for Biztalk 2010 for anyone that's currently got Biztalk?
Yep. So initially they had it named Biztalk 2009 R2. But because Microsoft have added so many features, so many new features to it, they decided to call it Biztalk 2010. And a lot of the features, they range both from a developer perspective all the way through to operations managers and admins. For one of the developer, one of the main new features that they've done in Biztalk 2010 for developers is they've completely redone the mapper.
Oh, great!
So Microsoft have tapped into their Microsoft research team and done a lot of usability research to make the mapper a lot easier to use and make it a lot more contextual. So whenever you select a node on one of the schemas that's in one of the sides, you'll be able to see that everything else will fade out and only what's in context will be mainly visible. So it should help developers, which in a normal situation, a business situation, we would have large maps going from one big flat file schema or ADI to a normal XML version of it. From an operations standpoint, we have a new SCOM pack, a System Center Operations Manager pack. It was rebuilt from scratch as well. And also you can now export the performance settings that you've set on a new dashboard. So you go into the Biztalk administration and you configure it to perform either for high throughput or high performance. You can export those settings from, for example, if you work it out in UAT, and you have it set up exactly as you like, so you can export those to an XML file, take them to your production system, import them there, and your two systems are the same.
Wow, that's fantastic. There's definitely a lot of new features in Biztalk 2010. It's definitely going to improve a lot of integration experience, both for developers and for production systems.
Yeah.
I guess what I want to just cover off really briefly with you, because obviously with the cloud coming on, we've got a whole lot of new things to go and integrate with and so on. And I just really quickly, where do you see Biztalk 2010 with the cloud?
So one of the best features that Biztalk has since Biztalk 2006 R2 is its WCF adapters. Microsoft have made it very extensible, so anything that most of the things that you can do with WCF, you can also integrate with Biztalk through its WCF adapters. So we can use the cloud WCF endpoints and get Biztalk to talk to your end systems, to your backend systems. So if you have mainframes or flat files coming in, EDI files, you can then get them integrated through Biztalk and up to your cloud and all the way back as well from the cloud through your WCF adapters into Biztalk and your backend systems.
Well, that's fantastic.
Or even SharePoint, if you want to show, integrate your cloud solutions with your on-premise SharePoint solution, you can use Biztalk to be in between the two.
Oh, wow. Well, clearly, Biztalk is a very powerful integration platform going forward for the cloud and for SharePoint. Thank you very much, Thiago. It's Miles Matheson here from Tech Ed Online with Thiago Almedia, Biztalk MVP.